you go. 107.1 Radio Bandera FM. That's the song I'm talking about. Anak ni Luning Ning. Music coming from 1991. Bringing you back to the golden age of radio. This is the golden age of radio with DJ Tommy G. We are coming to you live from the Holy Spirit. Nakalimutan yung location, you know. Holy Spirit Village. There you go. In Barangay Tabacuhan, Olongapo City. Broadcasting live from Casa Gilda Resort. This is the golden age of radio with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Okay, so here's a couple of reminders. Alam niyo ba guys, kahapon was the birthday of 5-year-old Kira Maningding. Do you guys remember Kira Maningding? So she would have been 6 kahapon, ano? Dahil, yeah. For those who don't know, for those who are not aware or familiar, si Kira Maningding was the 5-year-old kid who passed away dahil sa sa dikya, jellyfish, box type jellyfish ang tawag nila doon na deadly, yung nangyari. And it happened last year, 2024, of the month of June. And summer na naman, basta summer month, parang dumadami sila, nagmumultiply sila, no? So, yeah. So, kahapon was the birthday of Kira. She would have been 6, no? Ayan. And again, ang aming pakikiramay sa mga naulilang pamilya. And last March 6, tinalakay sa Senado yung the Sandy Act. Si Sandy, if I remember it right, Garuvillos, was also a 6-year-old kid who also passed away of the same cause. Yung box type jellyfish din ang dahilan. Ayan. Tinalakay nga sa Senate nung March 6 kasi pinasang batas to eh. I don't know kung nung March 6 nung dire-diretso na yon, officially law na siya. The Sandy Act tackles about the the safety of children, the protection of children, pati na rin sa turismo, kasama sa mga sakop ng usapin na yun protection for women and children, yung sa turismo, yung sa mga resort, kasama dun sa Sandy Act na yun yung safety and security from things like this. Yun nga yung jellyfish and pati na rin yung safety ng mga resort. Yun, sakop ng batas na yon na I don't know kung na-enact na, no? Pero March 6, the Senate had a hearing about it. Yun. Nandoon nga yung parents ni Sandy, 6-year-old Sandy Garbillo, when she passed away. Na-sting din she was also stung by the box jellyfish in I forgot the location. Hindi sa Subic Bay yun Yun. Kasama sa resource person syempre yung iba pang mga parents na kung saan yung mga anak nila ay naging biktima ng stinging of the jellyfish, yung mga kapabayaan na nangyayari sa resort, mga ganon. Although yung mom ni Kira was not able to make it to the Senate, nagpadala na lang siya ng sulat niya, ng letter niya. Yan. Because of her current medical condition. Yun. Okay? So yun. Meron tayong things to remember here coming from the SBMA Ecology Center. Okay? Things to remember during jellyfish season. Jellyfish. Basta yung mga bagay na yun. Seashells. Nagiging tongue twister, no? Things to remember during jellyfish season. Yan, okay? Nakikita niyo ba ako sa live video? Yeah. Naka-display na ako. Sige. I'm on display, right? Tama ba? Okay. Check natin. Double check ko lang sandali. Okay, magulo. Double check yung sarili. Okay. Ayan. Yes, I am. Eto na, balik na ako dun sa sinasabi ko. Things to remember during jellyfish season. Okay? Do your homework. Get in touch with the resort that you want to visit and ask them, okay, of the different marine organisms that may be present in their beach area. Maganda yan. Magandang magtanong ka muna. Di ba? Gusto mo mag-swimming sa karagatan, sa beach. Di ba? Wear protective clothes and footwear. Must wear leggings, rash guard, and aqua shoes when going to the beach this season, especially for children. Oh, nakakatulong yun, yung rash guard and yeah. Di ba? Kahit papaano. And it also has ultraviolet radiation properties, yung rash guard na sinusuot pag nagsiswimming, no? Pay attention, avoid and report. Jellyfish tend to be in warmer water. So when swimming, avoid going to warmer waters. And if you see them, get out of the water and immediately report to resort personnel. Ayan. The thing is, tayo rin, gusto rin natin ng warmer water. Malalamigin tayo eh. Takot tayo sa malamig. Di ba pag nagsiswimming tayo, ayaw natin na malamig. Maliligo nga, nagpapakulo tayo ng tubig eh, no? Pero yeah, kidding aside, yun nga. Mas gusto raw ng jellyfish ng warmer water, in case you don't know. Okay, ang first aid to jellyfish sting is, number 1, you can rinse it with vinegar. Pour vinegar generously to the affected area for 30 seconds. Okay? The vinegar will help deactivate stinging and venomous cells. You know, i-deactivate pala niya, no? Do not rub, wag kukuskusin yung affected area. Okay? And pluck out remaining tentacles. Use tweezers to remove tentacles. Remember, do not scrape the skin. Wag yung kukutkutin, kakamutin, i-scrubin, wag. Pluck out, bunutin, ibig sabihin, ng tweezers kung may tiyanik kayong dala-dala, no? So maganda pala, bago pala pumunta sa mag-swimming sa beach. Beach ang tinutukoy ko, yung dalampasigan, karagatan. Bago mag-swimming sa beach, magdala ng maraming suka. Mga isang dump truck para sigurado, di ba? Oh, di ba? Tsaka magdala ng tweezers. Okay? Chani. Apply heat. Painitan daw. Soak the affected area in hot water. Ilubog sa hot water kung pwede for at least 20 minutes as long as it's tolerable. Yung init, no? Hanggat kaya mo. The hotter, the better. Hot water can help relieve the pain. Okay? And then, of course, go to the nearest hospital or clinic. If visiting a resort, call the attention of the resort personnel immediately. Yun. Maganda yun. Maganda yung suggestion na yun. Tawag ka muna. Okay, kung nandun ka na sa resort, tanungin mo na muna. Mas maganda bago kayo pumunta, magtanong na kayo. Di ba? Hello, resort! Pupunta kami dyan. Mga 16 kami. Magsiswimming kami, maghahabonan kami sa dagat. Ano ba yung current condition ng nasasakupan yung area ngayon, di ba? O marami ba kayong mga organisms diyan na medyo dangerous sa sangkatauhang Pilipino? Sambayan ng Pinoy. Di ba? Maganda yun eh. Magandang pointers yun eh, di ba? Oh, okay. So ayan ha, those are the pointers coming from our friends at SBMA Ecology. We thank you sa SBMA Ecology. Napaka-importante nitong reminders na binigay ninyo ha. Talaga naman. Okay? And before we continue, I'm gonna take the quick top of the hour break, and then we will be back with more of the songs from the golden age of radio for you. You're still with DJ Tommy G. Summer is here. Invitation from Royal Duty Free. Fun games and summer vibes await at the Summer Fair at Royal Duty Free Manila Avenue. So join us April 5 and 6, ha? Uy, malapit na. April 5 and 6 for an unforgettable weekend of game booths, prizes, food, and live performances. Okay, get a free entry with a minimum 2,000 peso single receipt purchase from March 28 to April 6. Visit Royal Duty Free shops today and get ready for the Summer Fair fun. Okay, terms and conditions apply. All right, so pag namili kayo, no, just present your receipt at the customer service counter. April 5 to 6, 2025. Canal Road Parking, Manila Avenue. Okay? The Summer Fair gates will open at 4 p.m. Mag-uumpisa na at 4 p.m. Okay? So, check it out. And we will take the quick top of the hour break. This will be real quick. We will be back with more of your favorite songs from the golden age of radio. Okay? We will be right back. Please stick around.
ay nakatutok sa pinakabagong all-in-one radio station. Simula umaga, tanghali,